Question number 138. There are two mixtures of P and Q, wine and water. The sum of the wine in mixture Q and mixture P is how much? 180 liters. How many mixtures are there? Two mixtures. One is mixture Q, another one mixture P. In mixture P, wine and water, mixture Q also wine and water. One is mixture P, another one mixture Q. The sum of the wine in mixture Q and mixture P is how much? 180. Means sum of the wine in both the one is how much? 180. And when 60% of the mixture Q is mixed with P, then the total quantity of mixture becomes how much? 250 liters. The ratio of the wine and water in mixture Q is how much? 5:4. Means mixture Q wine is how many parts? 5 parts. Water are 4 parts. Wine in mixture Q 5 parts, but total wine is how many liters? 180. Out of 180, Q are 5 parts, means remaining 180 minus 5 parts. Yes or no? Next, mixture P contains how many liters of water? 60 liters of water. Means mixture P water is how many liters? 60 liters. Okay. What is the question here? Find the quantity of 32% of mixture P. But mixture P total content is 180 plus 60. How much? 240 minus how many parts? 5 parts. That is mixture P. In this one we required how much percent? 32%. Okay. First 32 means it is which one multiple? 8 multiple. Yes or no? First option is 8 multiple. Yes or no? Second option? No. Third option? Fourth one? Fifth one? Yes. 32 again it is also 16 multiple. Yes or no? 368 16 multiple. But 40 is 16 multiple. No. Then answer 36.8 liters. Or what is the total? 60% of the mixture Q is mixed with which one? P. Then the total quantity of mixture becomes how many liters? 250 liters. Means mixture P is added to which one? 60% of mixture Q. What is the mixture Q total? 9 parts. In this one how much percent are taken? 60%. What is the 60% of 9 parts? 5.4. Yes or no? These two are adding, it will become how many liters? 250 liters. Okay. 240 minus 5 parts plus 5.4 parts, that is equal to how many liters? 250 liters. Yes or no? 5 and 5.4 difference is 0.4 parts, that is equal to how much? 10. Then P value is how much? 100 by 400. Means P is how much? 25. P value 25. Actually 4 by 10 means it is 100 by 400. P value 25. Then I written 5 is how much? Sorry, 5 into 25. 125. Out of 125, 240 minus 125. What is the remaining value? 115. Out of 115, we required how much percent? 32%. 32% of which one? 115 liters. What is the 30% value? 30%. 34.5. 2% means 2.30. Total it is 36.80. Same or different? Same. Next question number 139. Srikanth and Arjun enter into a partnership with investments of X plus 140 and X rupees. After 5 months, Srikanth withdraw 140 and Arjun invested 200 more. At the end of the year, the profit sharing in the ratio of Srikanth and Arjun is 31:38. Find the value of 3/5 of the X. What the initial investment of Srikanth? X plus 140. That is used for how many months? 5 months. After 5 months, how much value are withdraw? 140. What is the remaining investment? X. Used for remaining 7 months. Second one, initial investment X rupees. Used for how many months? 5 months. After 5 months, 200 are added. X plus 200 used for remaining 7 months. That is profits ratio. What is the profits ratio? 31 by 38. Any cancellations? No. 5 into x, 5x. 7 into x, 7x. Total 12x. Into how much? 38. 12x into 38. Next, denominator 5x and 7x. 5x plus 7x, 12x. Into how much? 31. One is 12x into 38. Another one 12x into 31. Difference is 12x into 7 or not? Yes or no? Next, 5 into 140. 700 into how much? 700 into 38 or not? Multiplication అవసరం లేదు. 700 into how much? 38. 38 means we return 19 into 2 or not? 700 into 2 into 19 or not? 700 2s are 1400. 1400 into 19 or not? Yes or no? Next, another one, 7 into 200, 1400 into how much value? 31. 1400 into 31, 1400 into 19. Difference is 12 into 1400 or not? Yes or no? Both 12 cancel or not? 7x equal to 1400. 7 how many times? 200 times. X is how much? 200 or not? In this one, 3/5 value means 60% or not? What is the 60% of 200? 120 or not? Or verify the 3 multiple, but 3 multiple 2 options are not. Question number 140. The breadth of a rectangle is 8 by 11th of the side of a square, and area of a square is how much? 1089. Area of a square 1089 means it is which one square? 33 square or not? Means side of a square is how much? 33. Side of a square are 33. Then breadth of a rectangle is how much? 8 by 11 of side of a square or not? What is the 8 by 11 of 33? 24. Means breadth is how much? 24. Next, length of a rectangle is 50% more than the which one? Breadth. Breadth 24. 50% more means half of the 24. 12. 24 plus 12. 36. Length 36, breadth is 24. But required perimeter or not? Both are adding into 2 times or not? 24 plus 36, 60 into 2. 120 or not? Question number 141. When the digits of a 2-digit number are reversed, the number obtained is 9 less than the 5 times of the original number. The new number obtained is 350% more than the original number. Okay. 2-digit number means original number we are consider 10a plus b or not. Interchanging the digits means 10b plus a or not. Yes or no? The new number obtained is 350% more than the which one? Original number. Means new number value is 350% more than the original number. 350% means 7 by 2. Means out of 2 parts, 7 parts more. Yes or no? Means 9 by 2 times of original value. It is equal to which one? New value. Yes or no? This one we written 9 into 10, 90a. 2 into a, 2a. Difference is 88a or not? Next, 9 into b, 9b. This one 10b. Difference is 9b, and here 2 into 10 how much? 20. 20 and 9, 11b or not? 88 a equal to 11b. This one we written a by b equal to 1 by 8 or not? A means 1, b means 8. Means original number are 18 or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? Difference of the digits or not? What is the difference of the digits? 7. If anyone confusion, 18 reverse how much? 81 or not? What is the first condition? When the digits of the two-digit number are reversed, the number obtained is 9 less than the 5 times of the which one? Original number. What is the original number? 18. 5 times means 90. Compared to 90, how much value are less? 9 less or not? Okay. What is the answer? 18 original number. Difference of the digits means 7. 142. Train P having length of 180 meters can crosses a 120 meters long train Q in 60 by 11 seconds while running in the opposite direction. The speed of the train Q is 20% more than that of train P, and when both the trains are running in the same direction, at what time will they cross each other? Means opposite direction time 60 by 11 seconds, but we required time in which one? Same direction or opposite direction? Same direction. When a train passes another train, either opposite direction or same direction, distance will be same or different? Same. In opposite direction means when a train passes another train, total distance are both the trains length or not? Same direction also, both the trains length. But in opposite direction, relative speed are sum of the speeds. Same direction, relative speed are difference of the speeds are not? Okay. And one more, Q speed compared to P speed, how much percent are more? 20% more. Means P speed are 5 parts, Q speed are 6 parts are not? What is the sum of these speeds? 6 parts plus 5 parts are not? It is opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. Into what is the opposite direction time? 60 by 11 are not? Speed into time, distance are not? Next, same direction means relative speed are difference of the speeds are not? 6 parts minus 5 parts, how much? 1 part into time or not? Left hand side speed into time, and right hand side also speed into time. Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance or not? 11 cancel, parts get cancelled. T equal to how much? 60 seconds or not? Yes or no? Equal distance are covered or different distance? Equal distance, but relative speeds are different or not? In opposite direction relative speed, sum of the speeds, same direction relative speed, difference of the speeds. Next, 143. The equal amount of money was invested in two different schemes, A and B. Means both the schemes equal investment or different investment? Equal investment. The rate of interest for both the schemes is same at 20%. Means first one 20%, second one also 20%. Scheme A offered compound interest annually and scheme B offers compound interest half yearly. First one annual basis, second one half yearly basis. The difference between interest received from scheme A and B is 935 after 1.5 year. Okay. What the time is given? 1.5 year. Means completed 1 year, again half year. In annual basis, 1.5 year means first 1 year, next half year. Yes or no? In annual basis, what is the 1 year interest? 20%. Half year interest? 10%. But compound interest is always interest on interest plus 10% of first year interest. What is the 10% of 20%? 2%. What is the total interest? 32%. It is compound interest annual basis in scheme A. Next, what is the scheme B? Interest will be calculated half yearly basis. But in 1.5 year, how many half years? 3 half years. Okay, means first 6 months, second 6 months, third 6 months. Yes or no? What is the 1 year rate of person? 20%. 6 months rate of person? 10%. 10% how many times we need? 3 times. 10% for 3 times means 33.1%. 10% for 3 times, what is the compound interest? 33.1%. But annual basis 32%. But half yearly basis 33.1%. How much interest are extra getting? 1.1%. But in place of 1.1%, how many rupees are given? 935. 1.1%, 935. but we required some. How much percent we need? 100% or not? 11 how many times? 8 times. Again 5 times or not? It will be 850 or not? 850 into 100. 85,000 or not? Next question number 144. A bag contains 7 red balls, X green balls, Y yellow balls are not. If one ball is taken out from the bag, then the probability of being green is how much? 5 by 16. While the probability of being yellow ball is how much? 1 by 4. Then find the sum of the number of green and yellow balls in the bag or not. What is the green probability? 5 by 16. What is the yellow probability? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 we written 4 by 16. Yes sir. 4 by 16. What is the green probability? 5 by 16. Yellow probability? 4 by 16. Both are adding 9 by 16 or yes or no? What is the meaning? Out of 16, either green or yellow, how many possibilities? 9 possibilities or not? Means remaining 7 are red or not? How many red balls here? 7 or not? Means 7 parts are 7 or not? Out of 16, either green or yellow, how many possibilities? 9 possibilities. Means 9 possibilities are either green or yellow, means remaining 7 are which one? Red or not? How many red balls are there? 7. Means written 7 parts are 7 balls or not? Yes or no? What is the question here? Sum of the green and yellow. Sum of the green and yellow is how many parts? 9 parts. What is the 9 parts value? 9 or not? Next 145. The ratio of the percentage of nursing to Venkat is how much? 5:4. Nursing is how many parts? 5 parts. Venkat is 4 parts or not? Next, if the age of Yashwant is 125% more than the Venkat, Yashwant is 125% more than the Venkat, and 125% means what is the fraction? 5 by 4 means one is 4 parts, another one 4 plus 5, 9 parts are not. Okay, means Venkat already 4 parts, means Yashwant is how many parts? 9 parts are not. Yes or no? Next, after 12 years, average age of Yashwant and nursing will be how much? 40. After 12 years, average 40 means present average. After 12 years, average 40 means present average. 28 or not? 28. Average 28 means sum is 56 or not? That 56 is sum of which one? Nursing and Yashwant or not? How many parts? 14 parts. 14 parts are how much? 56. Every one part are 4 or not? And what is the question here? Find the sum of the ages of Venkat 6 years ends and Yashwant 10 years ago or not? Venkat how many parts? 4 parts. What is the 4 parts value? 16. And Yashwant 9 parts. 9 parts are how much? 36. But we required Venkat 6 years ends means 16 plus 6. How much? 22. And Yashwant how many years ago? 10 years ago. 36 minus 10. 26. We required sum of the 22 and 26. What is the answer? 48. Next question number 146. 3 pipes A, B, C are connected to a tank while A and B are inlet pipes and C is an outlet pipe. Pipe A and B can fill the tank in X minus 2 hours and X plus 2 hours respectively, while C can empty the tank in how many hours? 16 hours. Find out the time taken by pipe A to fill the tank. We required only A alone, but B and C together can fill the tank in how many hours? 48 hours. Okay. What is the B and C time? 48 or not? What is the C time? 16 or not? But C is outlet or inlet? Outlet. What is the LCM? 48. 48 how many times? 1 time. 16 3 times or not? It is minus 3 or plus 3? Minus 3 or not? If it is minus 3, C minus 3 means B must be plus 4 or not? Yes or no? Because B plus C efficiency is how much? 1. C efficiency minus 3 means B must be 4 parts efficiency or not? Yes or no? Okay. Then what is the B time? 12 or not? What is the total work? 48. What is the B efficiency? 4. 48 by 4. 12. B time is how much? 12. What is the B time are given? X plus 2 or X? X plus 2. X plus 2 12 means X value 10 or not? Okay. Then A value 8 or not? What is the question here? A to fill the tank. How much time? 8 hours or not? Only A or not? What is the answer? H. ఏం లేదు కదా క్వశ్చన్లో. Question number 147. An article was marked 70% above the which one? Cost price. Suppose cost price we are consider how much? 100%. Market price 170%. Next, this article is then sold after giving a discount of how many rupees? 476. This article is then sold after giving a discount of how many rupees? 476. 476 is discount or selling price? Discount. Discount of 476 means it is discount value or not? Out of 170%, how many rupees are discount? 476. Then we return 170% minus 476, that is selling price or cost price? Selling price or not? Next, if the article had been sold for 105 rupees more, 105 rupees more, already selling price is 170% minus 476, how many rupees are more again? 105 or not? That is new selling price or original selling price? New selling price or not? Yes or no? Next, and one more, you getting a profit of how much percent? 17%. 17% profit means what is the original cost price? 100%. 17% profit means selling price is 117% or not? Yes or no? What is the new selling price? 170% minus 476 plus 105, that is new selling price. Same selling price equal to how much value? 117% or not? What is the original selling price? 170% minus 476 or not? First, what is the difference between 170 and 117? 53 or not? What is the difference between 476 and 105? 371 or not? 53 almost 7 times or not? Means every 1% is how much? 7. What is the question here? Find the original profit or loss. If you required either original profit or loss means definitely we know the original cost price and original selling price. What is the original selling price? 170% minus 476. What is the 1% value? 7. 7 how many times 476? 7 how many times? 7, 6, 8 or not? Means it is 68% or not? 170% minus 68%. What is the value? 102% or not? Yes or no? Just we are for 476 converted to which one? Percentage or not? What is the 1% value? 7. 476 is represents how much percent? 60%. Then original selling price is 170 minus 68 or not? What is the 170 minus 68? 102. What is the original cost price? 100. Selling price 102. What is the profit? 2% profit or loss? Profit. Anyone confusion? Just 476 equal to how much percent? 68%. 100 minus 68. Sorry, 170 minus 68. 102 or not? 100 becomes 102 means what is the profit? 2% or not? Next question number 148. Rashmika employed a maid for a certain work for some days. She pays 200 to the maid for a day. Means if she work, how many rupees are getting? 200. But if the maid is absent, she cuts 20% of the per day salary. In how many days the maid was absent? If she gets 19,240 for how many days? 100 days or not? Okay. What is the 100 days amount? 19,240. What is the per day value? 192.40. 100 days value is how much? 19,240. What is the per day value? 192.40. 100 days, absent days and working days or not? Yes or no? In 100 days, some are absent, some are working. Okay. In 192.40 also, it is working money and also absent money per day or number of days? Per day. Okay. If she worked per day, how many rupees are getting? 200. But in absent, how much percent are cutting? 20%. What is the 20% of 200? 40. Means out of 200, 40 rupees are cut. How many rupees are she received? 160. On working day, 200. Absent day, 160. But working and absent combination, how many rupees are received? 192.40. By using allegation. What is the difference between 200 and 192.40? 7.6. 192.40 and 160 difference. 32.4. Okay. 76 almost 4 times. Correct అయినా ఒకసారి చూడండి. 4 how many times? 19. 4 how many times? 8. 1. 81 is to 19. Working days are how many parts? 81. Absent days 19. Total 100 parts. 100 days are not. Then absent is how many days? 19 days are not. Next question number 149. Alia Bet gave 24% of her salary to her father. From the remaining salary, she paid 20% and 25% on rent and traveling. From the remaining, she spent 10% on the charity and kept the remaining aside in the account. The difference between the amount she kept in the bank and gave to her father was how much? 5448. Find the monthly salary of Alia Bhatt. Okay. What is the last line are given? The difference between amount she kept in the bank and gave to her father was how much? 5448. Father how much percent? To father how much percent are give? 24%. Out of 100% of salary, 24% to her father. What is the remaining? 76%. In that 76%, first time 20%, second time 25%. Out of the remaining or total? Remaining. Out of 76%, 20 plus 25, 45. Out of 76, 45% completed means remaining 55% of which one? 76%. That is remaining value. Next, from the remaining, again remaining value, she spent how much? 10% on the which one? Charity. Out of the 55% of 76%, 10% are which one? Charity. What is the remaining value? Remaining value are kept in the account. Means out of 55% of 76, 10% are charity, means remaining value is 90% of which one? 55% of 76. That is bank account or not? Yes or no? Okay. What is the 55% of 76? 50 means 38. 5% means 3.8 or not? 45 completed, remaining 55. What is the 55% of 76? 50%, 38. 5%, 3.8. 38 plus 3.8. 41.80. In that how much percent? 90%. Means 10% subtracting. What is the 100%? 41.80. 10% means 4.18. Subtracting or adding? Subtracting. Means 37.62. That is which one value? bank account and bank account 37 point, father is 24. What is the difference? 13.62 and that is represents how much? 5,448. We required monthly salary. How much person we need? 100% and 1354, almost 4 times. Yes or no? Then answer 40,000 and next question number 150. The time taken by the boat to travel a certain distance upstream is 25% more than the time taken to travel the same distance in downstream. If the speed of the stream is given how much? 5 km per hour. Find the time taken by the boat to travel 900 kilometers in still water. And here upstream time is 25% more than the which one? Downstream timer. But both the cases equal distance are covered or different distance? Equal distance. Means distance is constant or changed? Constant. One case it will be downstream, another case it will be upstream. One is time, another one speed. When distance is constant, time and speed directly proportional or inversely proportional? Inversely proportional. Upstream time is 25% more than the which one? Downstream time. Suppose the downstream time are 4 parts, upstream time are 5 parts are, that is time ratio. Then speeds ratio are 5:4 or not. Downstream time 5, downstream speed 5 parts, upstream speed 4 parts, because the distance constant, time and speed inversely proportional. Downstream speed is how many parts? 5 parts. Upstream speed are 4 parts. Then speed of the boat is, both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 by 2. That is m value. Then speed of the stream, both are subtracting by 2 or adding by 2? Subtracting by 2. 5 minus 4, 1 by 2 or not? M is represents 9 by 2. S is represents 1 by 2 or not? But here S value is given how much? 5 km per hour. Means half value is how much? 5 km per hour. Then M value 45 or not? 2 get cancelled or not? What is the ratio? 9:1. What is the one part value? 5. 9 parts value 45. What is the question here? Find the time taken by the boat to travel 900 kilometers in still water. Still water means only boat speed or not? Only boat speed. What is the distance value? 900. What is the boat speed? 45 or not? 900 by 45. 20 or not? Yes or no? Still water means water speed are 0. Means either m plus s or m minus s. If you return 45 plus 0 or 45 minus 0 or not? 900 by 45. What is the answer? 20. Next question number 132. Caselet, there are a total of 2,800 passengers in an aeroplane. Total how many passengers? 2,800. What is the note are given? The passengers are in an aeroplane from 5 countries only. How many countries are given? 5 countries. What is the first one? USA. Second one? UK. Third one? Australia. Next one? Japan. Next one? China. I think G5 countries. G5 countries, sir. All are in G5 countries, sir. Next. What is the total strength? 2,800. 40 to 6 by 7 percentage of the total passengers are which one? Female. 40 to 6 by 7 means 3 by 7. What is the 3 by 7 of 2,800? 1,200. Means total females is how much? 1,200. Females are 1,200 means males are 1,600. Next. What is the next one? 12% of the total male passengers from the which one? USA. Means out of 1600 12% అన్నాడు. What is the 12% of 1600? 192 అన్నాడు. 192. That 192, the ratio of the male to female passengers from USA is how much? 6:11. Means 192 is represents how many parts? 6 parts. 192 by 6 into 11. We are get the female value. 6 how many times? 3 times. Again 2 times. 32 into 11. 352. Next. And one more. The total number of females from the UK is 1/8 of the total males. What is the total males? 1600. In that 1/8, 200. Means females are how much? 200. The total number of females from UK is 1/8 of the total male, which is 42% of the total number of males. First we need to identify the 42. Sorry, it is already 352. First we need to identify the 42% of male members or female members. Male members. What are the male members? 1600. In that how much percent? 42%. Means 42 into 16. 1640 is how much? 640. 16 to the 32. Total it is 672. That 672 are which one? The total number of females from the UK is 1/8 of that of the total males, which is 42% of the total number of males. Means males in UK is how much? 676. Yes or no? In that 1/8 value, 672. In that how much value? 1/8 or not? Means divide by 8 or not? 8 how many times? 8 times 4 times or not? 84. Females are how much? 84. Next. 24% of the total females are from which one? Australia. What is the Australia total females? 1200. In the 24%, 20% is 240. 4% 48. Total it is 288. Next. And 1/6 of the total females are from which one? Japan. What is the total females? 1200. 1/6 means 200. Okay. Next. The total number of passengers from Japan is how much? 386. Total are how much? 386. Out of 386, 200 are female, means remaining 186 are males. And one more, out of the total male passengers, 22% were from which one? China. What is the total male passengers? 1600. 22% means 20 plus 2% or not? Nothing but 352 or not? Yes or no? First, all the female values are adding. 352 plus 288. 640. 640 plus 300. 200. 840. 840 plus 84. 924. Yes or no? 924. 924 compared to 1000. 76 less. 1200 compared to 1000. 200 more. 200 plus 76. 276. Okay. Next. 2 plus 2. 4 plus 6. 10 plus 2. 12. Means 12 or not? Next. 190 plus 670. 860 or not? 860 plus 18. 860 plus 180. 1040. 1040 plus 350. 1490. 1490 plus 12 or not? Means 1502. What is the remaining? 98 or not? What is the first question? What is the approximate average total number of passengers from China, Australia and UK together? China, Australia, UK. What is the China total value? 628 or not? Next, Australia total value? 380 386. UK total value 756 అన్నాడు. ఓకే, we required average of these three values అన్నాడు. 756, 386, 628. సాల్వ్ చేస్తే వాల్యూ వస్తుంది కదా. అప్రాక్సిమేట్ అన్నాడు, ఎగ్జాక్టా? అప్రాక్సిమేట్. ఐ థింక్ 134 క్వశ్చన్ ఆర్ ఈజీ. కొంతమంది డౌట్ ఉంది ఆన్సర్స్ వస్తాయా రావా అని. ఫీమేల్ ప్యాసింజర్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూఎస్ఏ. వాట్ ద ఫీమేల్ ఫ్రమ్ యూఎస్ఏ? 288. ఆస్ట్రేలియా, సారీ, ఫీమేల్ యూఎస్ఏ హౌ మచ్? 352. ఆస్ట్రేలియా 288. చైనా 276. వాట్ ద హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద 352? all are divided by 400. 4 how many times? 8. 800. 4 how many times? 288. 7. 2. 4 how many times? 276. 6. 900. Yes or no? Which option? Third option. Third or fourth? Third one. Next. Question number 126. Skip cheyala matladala. First one, the line graph shows the 6 different boxes as the number of 4 color cubes: pink, black, white and orange. And if 4 cubes are drawn from the box D, what is the probability that all the cubes are of different colors or same colors? Different colors. Only box D or all the boxes? Only box D. Okay, first box D total how many cubes? 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 6, 26. Out of 26 we are picked how many balls? How many cubes? 4 and 26 C4. That 4 are different or same? Different color. Means first one, second one, third one, fourth one are. Then we written 8C1 into 7C1 into 6C1 into 5C1 are. Yes or no? What is the numerator? 8765. Denominator 26, 25, 24, 23. 26, 25, 24, 23. There is no multiple of 7 in denominator. 26, 25, 24, 23. There is no multiple of 7 in denominator. Then answer will be 7 multiple. Numerator value must be multiple of 7. There is no cancellation value in denominator 7. 7 తో క్యాన్సిల్ అయ్యే వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయా డినామినేటర్ ఏమన్నా? నో. దెన్ ఆబ్వియస్లీ ఆన్సర్ విల్ బి మల్టిపుల్ ఆఫ్ 7 ఇన్ న్యూమరేటర్. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ 128, ఇట్ ఈస్ 7 మల్టిపుల్? నో. 132 7 మల్టిపుల్? నో. 168? ఎస్. నెక్స్ట్ 101? నో. 167? నో. దెన్ ఆన్సర్ థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్ అన్నాడు 168/1495. Okay, next 127. What is the average number of cubes of in all the boxes together? మొత్తం యాడ్ చేసి డివైడ్ బై how many boxes? 6 boxes are. Next 128. Same probability చేస్తారా? 129 also probability related. 130 directly question. Total number of pink cubes in all the boxes is what percent more or less than the black cubes in all the boxes are. Okay, 131 also probability related question. Next, data sufficiency. Skip మాట్లాడాలా? Skip 124. I think statement 1 we are not get the answer. Obviously statement 2 also you are not get the answer. Then answer is neither 1 nor 2 are not, because product is given, difference are given, we can't say the answer, values are not. Next 125. In a class there are boys and girls. 125. In a class there are boys and girls. What is the probability of selecting a boy from that class? We required probability of selecting a boy. In first statement, boys and girls ratio 7:9. Boys are how many parts? 7 parts. Girls 9 parts. Out of 16 parts, we are choose one person or not? We are choose how many persons? 3 boys and sorry, we are choose one boy or not? That means we return 16C1. Numerator 7C1 or not? Or 7 parts C1 by 16 parts C1 or not? Yes or no? Obviously 7 parts by which one? 16 parts or not? We are get the probability or not? One alone is sufficient. Second one, the total number of boys is 20 more than that of the girls. How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns or not? If we required probability, definitely we know the sample size and event size or not. What is the sample size in first statement? 16. Event size 7. 7 by 16 we are get the probability of an event or not. But in second statement there is no clarity about the sample size and there is no clarity about the event size or not. Then 2 alone not sufficient, only 1 alone is sufficient. Quadratic equations? No? One not 1 to 105? No? 106? No? Number series? వచ్చేసాయా? 115. 11, 28, 62. 11 and 28 difference? 17. 28 and 62? 34. 17, 34. Next one, 51 or not? 62 plus 51. 113. Yes or no? Next one, 68. 62 plus question 121. 62 plus 51 how much? 113. 113 plus 68, 181 or not? Just 17 multiples. 121. X equal to 7 by 8 square, 9 by 7 square. 7 square by 8 square or not? Means we return 64 by which one? 49. 9 square means 81 by 49 or not? Okay. First one 49 by 64. Second one 81 by 49 or not? Second one 64 by 49. 64 by 49 or not? Okay. All the fractions 81 by 49. 81 by 49 compared to 64 by 49 is greater or less? Greater. Okay. Next 49 by 64 and here 64 by 49. Less than or not? Opposite symbols or not? What is the relation? Okay. No relation or not? Because 49 by 64 means less than 1 or not? 64 by 49 means greater than 1 or not? Means obviously 49 by 64 is less than the 64 by 49 or not? What is the answer? No relation. Any other questions? Okay. Thank you.